So if we're trying to rewrite this, and we can notice that in the initial question, this is in radical form, whereas all the options are in exponent form or rational exponent form. We're going to go ahead to page 34, which is side 3 of our math reference document. And we notice that in radical form, you're going to turn it into rational exponent form by essentially reading it from right to left. So in this case, 64 to the 1/3 becomes 64 to the 1/3, top to bottom. So here we'd say 32 to the 16/4. And we know that 16 over 4 is equivalent to 4. So now we get 32 to the 4th. However, none of the answer options say 32 to the 4th. In fact, we can eliminate options C and D because clearly we'll have to rewrite 32 somehow to become more like this because neither of these say 32 to the 4th. So now we have a 50-50 chance. And we know that based on the answer options, they're saying we need to rewrite 32 as 2 to the something. Well, 32 can be rewritten as 2 to the what? Well, if I'm unclear, I could kind of do trial and error. I could say, well, what's 2 to the, and throw something out, right? What's 2 to the 4th? It's 16. Oh, I'm pretty close. I just need to multiply by 2 one more time. So if I did 2 to the 5th instead, what would I get? Oh yeah, that's 32. Okay, excellent. So now I could say that's 2 to the 5th. I still have this 4 out here. And then we're going to apply our property of exponents, which is right next to the image we were just looking at. And the property of exponents out of the 5 here, the one that we're looking at is a power to a power. And when that occurs, you simply multiply the two exponents. And if we multiply these exponents, we get 20, which matches with option A. You might be wondering, where did they get 625? Well, that's if somebody thought, oh, I'm going to have to take the 5 exponent and raise it to the 4th power. Then they would get 625. But we know better. We know that we simply multiply the exponents and get option A.